Okay, so first up, we're going to talk about how to install the Google Chrome browser. Now, a lot of you may already have this installed, and if you do, you can skip this video and move to the next one. And some of you may not want to install Google Chrome, and that's fine too. It's not mandatory. However, it certainly does have advantages because we are using Google Classroom, and in order to have full functionality with Google Calendar and with the other apps in Google, it's kind of better to keep everything Google. So right now, if you can follow me on my screen here, I have Firefox open and I've typed in install Google Chrome. Okay, that's in the search field here. And I will leave a link as to the exact page you can go to in the description of this video. If I click this, I should come to a page that says get more done with the new Chrome. And really I'm looking for this download button, download Chrome. And I do have Mac OS, so this may look slightly different from your version, unless you have a Mac of course, but you'll probably want to save the file to your favorite folder, and that's usually the downloads folder. And it does take a little while because it's a fairly big file, but it's fairly straightforward and it installs itself. So while this finishes downloading, this is a disk image file for the Mac, and I'm going to show you what to do for the Mac to at least get set up. So we've got our file done, and it's automatically gone into our downloads folder, and we can double click our disk image, and it may take a second to verify and open it. Once it's finished, I should have a file folder that automatically opens up. And all I have to do is drag the application into my applications folder. And yours may be different again because you're using Windows, presumably. So all I have to do is drag this file here into the applications folder. And I don't have to do it because I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it. And that's all you have to do for the Mac. I'll quickly now show you how to do it for the PC.